Get that middle one, get the middle one, get the middle one. Yeah.
Welcome to another episode of Tascast Fishing Adventures. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today, we are in the south of the state chasing bluefin tuna. We have a couple of tools in our arsenal and some tips and techniques to share with you. We hope you find them helpful. Let's get into it. Good morning, Wallaby Dick, and welcome to another episode. It is a fresh morning here at Eaglehawk Neck. We've got a bit of wind with us today. We're on about 10 knots blowing westerly, so we should be able to find some refuge alongside the cliff faces and the cliff edges. But first up this morning, we're going to check the notorious Hippolyte Rock, which is probably the most hit location in Tasmania when chasing southern bluefin tuna. So we'll see if we can find something, see if we can mark something. We've got an array of different rods with us on board, but the main objective is to fill the freezer with bluefin tuna. The combos that we're rocking this morning are two Tiagra 50 wides, and we're going to just run 3 rods, one with a long shot, and we're going to use the little secret weapon, which is called a Witchdoctor. It's a flasher, fish attractor in the sun. It'll gain a little bit of attention from some of those tuna, hopefully bring them up and hit a lure right behind it. We normally run a short little lure at the back with a green Lumo, and fingers crossed something will hit it. Without further ado, I think Cody's nearly back after putting the trailer away. So let's get into it, and if you don't mind, hit that like button. Help us with the YouTube algorithm, because we want people to see these videos so you can get out and have as much fun as we're having, and you've got some tips along the way. So, with me on board, Cody.
How are you?
How do you do?
I'm doing well.
Doing well?
Conditions.
You've actually had some pretty good luck down here before.
I have.
What's the biggest tuna you've caught off the Hippolyte Rock?
77 kilos.
77? Whoop! There are some big tuna that have been caught down here, and it is a dream to hook a barrel, but a schoolie will definitely do the trick. It is home to some of the biggest sea cliffs in the southern hemisphere. We have the largest, I think it's about 250 meters tall. It faces directly opposite Tasman Island. The other sea cliffs in the area are up at Maria Island. So this is our secret weapon for today. It's called a Witchdoctor. With this nice beautiful sun glare, it's hopefully going to bring some tuna up, get them inquisitive, and then they'll hit our line. We're going to set a lure right behind it. I'll only run it about 5 or 6 meters back. So fingers crossed, it helps. This is a Meridian skirt that I've rigged up at home. A bit of a stiff rig, a couple of twists, and doubled over to get it onto the single hook. This one is going to be our long shot. So it's going to go straight down the middle, about 100 meters out. Whoa! That was a seal. It's two. Doubles! Over here, mate. Oh, we got triples. Let me just set this one a bit more. Let me set this one. We've got triples. Just keep them on.
You want to get that laser in?
Yeah. Yeah. Got to think about what you find it for second two. gotta turn us.
Got a bit of colour.
I know. I just gotta turn us, man.
Yeah, you're right.
I'll hold it. Hold up. Where's my gap? Hold on. Let me get this one. It's alright, don't stress. Oh yeah! Alright, get that middle one, get the middle one. Yep. You alright? You're still on. Still there? Yeah. You're on. I'll get the splasher in. Get him in quick. Now, keep going. Through the double. Through the double. You're right.
He's having a go now.
You're right. Keep coming up. Pump and wind. There's no seals on him, that's good. All right, try and get him up a little bit. Try and get him up.
You ready?
Yep.
Gaffed. Tough work, man. I tell you what.
Woo! Yeah, Cody! Yoo! 2 on the board, just like that. Right on the hippolyte, the afternoon bite has paid off for us.
Dropped the first one.
Dropped the first one, we still had one on the long shot.
Cross the rods over, and then we got the third one in the long shot.
We did, and we've got one more down here on the meridian. He took that, he swallowed that completely. He looks pretty full too. So, finally, after a long day's haul, what I typically do with the bluefin is I'll slice them just here on either side, get that blood out, and then we'll get back into it. We're on the board, woo! So a lot of people, when they hook up on bluefin tuna, straight away cut out exactly what they're doing and start pulling in their fish. If I had have cut out just then on that last lap, we would not have got 2 more tuna on the line. So I highly recommend, if you're out there chasing, just give it 10 more seconds. They're in schools, they're pelagic fish, just let them all triple hook up together or all jump on the line. It makes a big difference. If you can put 2 more on there and then land 2 and lose 1, like we've just done, that's a good day. We can happily say that this is a good day's fishing now.
It's a good day now. I mean, it was a good day before, but it's a great day now.
It's a great day now.
Great afternoon.
So if you're out there, just leave it a little bit longer and see if it helps you hook up another one. Well, that was a pretty sensational session. That 3-way hookup was phenomenal. That's all we've marked for the whole day, and that's a wrap for us. So if you've enjoyed this episode, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. What have you got to say to yourself?
I'd say like and subscribe. I did, now I'm out on the boat. Tuna.
The perks come with supporting the channel. So thank you very much for watching. That's a wrap for us. Stay tuned for new merch coming soon. I'll see you later. Let's get fishy.